Bitcoin futures dropped 20% as digital currency hits six-week low over crackdown fears. Bitcoin drops below $12,000 Tuesday. Bitcoin drops below $12,000 Tuesday. 14 hours ago, 102 Bitcoin plunged to a six-week low Tuesday after comments from South Korea's finance minister renewed worries about a crackdown in one of the largest markets for digital currency trading. The CBOE and CME Bitcoin futures contracts expiring later this month both dropped, with the CBOE contract falling 20% to around $11,010 and the CME contract off nearly 20% around $11,160 as of 4:01 p.m. ET. Trading in the CBOE Bitcoin futures contract was briefly halted in accordance with price volatility rules. South Korean Finance Minister Kim Dong-yeon said in a radio program interview that the shutdown of virtual currency exchanges is still one of the options the government has. According to an English-language report Tuesday from South Korea's Yonhap News, Bitcoin dropped more than 19% to a low of $10,969.15 on Tuesday, its lowest since early December, according to CoinDesk. CoinDesk's Bitcoin price index tracks prices from cryptocurrency exchanges Bitstamp, Coinbase, Itbit and Bitfinex. As of 4:04 p.m. ET, Bitcoin was trading more than 18.5% lower around $11,048. According to CoinDesk, trading in South Korean won accounted for about 3.5% of Bitcoin trading volume, according to CryptoCompare. US dollar Bitcoin trading had the largest share at nearly 42%. The website showed other major digital currencies including Ethereum and Ripple also fell significantly. According to CoinMarketCap data, Ethereum dropped 22% to $1,007, while Ripple fell 30% to $1.17. Investors also monitored reports of an escalated crackdown on the cryptocurrency market in China. On Monday, Bloomberg reported that authorities in China were planning to block domestic access to Chinese and offshore cryptocurrency platforms that allow centralized trading. Regulators will also target people and companies that provide market-making, settlement and clearing services for centralized trading, the publication said, citing unnamed sources. And on Tuesday, a Chinese central bank official reportedly said that authorities should ban the centralized trading of digital currencies, adding weight to concerns of further suppression of the country's cryptocurrency market. Dip is not wholly unexpected, Iqbal Gandham, UK Managing Director at eToro, said in an emailed comment. The market is correcting off the back of news that China is moving to crack down on cryptocurrency trading. Chinese investors are likely spooked having heard the news and the market is on edge as a result. But we don't expect to see a major sell-off. Bitcoin in particular has gone through this cycle before. Moreover, you look at the last 3 years. January is typically the low point for cryptocurrencies. So this dip is not wholly unexpected, he added. The digital assets soared to a record high of $19,343 last month, but has since been on a gradual decline. Futures contracts for Bitcoin were introduced for the first time last month, with huge derivatives operators CME and the CBOE letting investors bet on price movements in the volatile asset for the first time. The pullback seems to be coming from a lack of buyers in Asia, Mati Greenspan, senior market analyst at eToro, told CNBC in an email. Japan and South Korea usually dominate this market, but over the last few days, the volumes have been dropping steadily. This morning the combined volumes from these two countries dropped below 30%. The reports are certainly not helping, but in my assessment, the Asian market is simply tired of paying the premium, eToro's Greenspan said. Charles Hayter, CEO of CryptoCompare, said that investors were likely profit-taking as they prepared for risks ahead. It seems like it is uncertainty spooking the markets to a degree with regulations unclear. Korea and Asia in general has been a strong support for the cryptocurrency markets, adding users and demand with prices often trading at a premium, he said.